Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my little corner of YouTube. I definitely look like a grease ball right now, but in today's video I'll be showing you guys 3 different face mask recipes that you can make for those times when your skin is not just cooperating. These masks are really very easy to do and you may already have some of the ingredients in your kitchen. So if you're interested, please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let's just jump right into the video. So this mask is a detox mask, sorry, and I like to use it on days where I've had a lot of makeup on my face and I feel like my pores are clogged up and I'm more oily. So I go with this mask to basically pull out all the gunk from my face. So firstly, I go ahead, take off all my makeup and then wash my face thoroughly, and then I just go ahead, apply the mask all over my face, avoiding the skin directly under my eye because that's very sensitive. I usually wait for like 10 to 15 minutes or when it's completely dry, and then I just go ahead and rinse everything out, and that's the mask. It's really easy to do. So this second mask is a glowy mask, at least that's what I call it, because consistent use of turmeric over time will cause your skin to glow. If you think I'm lying, go and ask them. Indian people, they use it as part of their beauty routine, especially when someone is about to get married. So this is a very good one to have in your arsenal. As always, I just go ahead and apply this. This time I'm using a foundation brush because turmeric can stain. It will stain you, so try not to use your fingers if you can. I just let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I wash it off, and voila, that's the mask. Real simple and easy. So this third mask we are calling the pimple buster, because that's exactly what it's going to do for your skin. With this mask, I saw immediate results with those tiny bumps on my face. But word of caution, this mask will burn for the first 10 to 15 seconds. So please, if you're using an essential oil, use just 1 drop. I used infused oils and yet it still burns, so be careful with that. Or better still, just do a patch test on your arm or your leg to see if your face will be able to take it. With the leftover, I just put it all over my hair because aloe vera and the oils that I use here are also very, very good for your hair as well. We don't waste anything here, okay? And then I just left it for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I just washed it off. And there you have it, that's the mask. This was my favorite mask from the 3 of them. Yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Let me know in the comment section which one of these DIY masks you will be trying out for yourself. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It's the red big button down there. And please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and turn on the post notifications for more DIYs. See you guys in my next video. Bye!